Still struggling to find the perfect e-commerce WordPress theme? A slow or poorly designed theme can literally kill your sales. In this video, we will show you the top 5 e-commerce themes that are fast, conversion-focused, and beginner-friendly. And number 5 might surprise you. Whether you're starting a dropshipping store, digital shop, or full online marketplace, these themes will help you build a professional store without coding. Let's jump straight into it. Number 1. Astra. First on the list is Astra, one of the fastest and most customizable WordPress themes. It's lightweight, SEO-friendly, and works perfectly with WooCommerce and page builders like Elementor. Key features: ultra-fast performance, WooCommerce-ready, pre-built starter templates, beginner-friendly. Number 2. Woostify. Next is Woostify, a powerful WooCommerce-focused theme designed specifically to boost conversions. It includes product quick view, wishlist, and checkout optimization features. Key features: conversion-focused, built for WooCommerce, lightweight and fast, modern store layouts. Number 3. Storefront. Storefront is the official WooCommerce theme, which means maximum compatibility and stability. It's simple, clean, and perfect for beginners who want reliability. Key features: official WooCommerce theme, highly stable, clean design, easy customization. Number 4. The Gem. If you want a premium, high-end design, the Gem is a strong choice. It offers hundreds of creative demos and advanced design features for visually rich e-commerce stores. Key features: premium creative designs, multi-purpose theme, advanced customization, ideal for branded stores. Number 5. Crona. Last but definitely not least, Crona, a modern e-commerce theme designed for speed, flexibility, and sleek product presentation, perfect for modern startups and trendy brands. Key features: modern UI design, fast loading, stylish product layouts, great for startups.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.